Museum of Illusions, Las Vegas, where reality bends, crystal ball sparkles. Step into a mind-bending world where nothing is quite as it seems. At the Museum of Illusions, Las Vegas, prepare to be amazed by optical illusions, interactive exhibits, and brain-teasing installations that challenge your perception of reality. Magnifying glass tilted left, what to expect. Heavy checkmark gravity-defying rooms that will leave you questioning physics. Heavy checkmark holograms and mind-tricking images that shift before your eyes. Heavy checkmark infinity rooms and vortex tunnels for an immersive experience. Heavy checkmark interactive exhibits perfect for unforgettable photos. Round pushpin location, Las Vegas Strip. Admission tickets, available online or at the door. Come see the unbelievable become reality. If you dare, eyes sparkles.